Hi there. So, do you have a Samsung Chromebook computer which went out on you one day? One day you went to start it and it did not show any sign of power, or it did not react to your gentle touch. Okay, I will show you how to get it going, okay? Samsung. The one I have here is the Samsung CB4 11.6. As you can see, okay, Chromebook, okay. So I have a nice little one here that I really like. And one day it just went out on me, and I was like, oh my God, what am I to do now? So I started messing around with it, and I will show you how I get my Samsung Chromebook to react, okay, to start back again and to start serving its purpose again, okay. So first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and get your power button, okay. It comes with the power button, power cord. This is what it looks like, okay? Can you see? Okay, so you're going to get that, and you're going to go ahead and plug it in. Okay, bear with me. Plug it in. Okay, here we go. So that's what it looks like when you plug it in, okay? Okay. So go ahead and plug it in. And then you want to open up your Samsung. Okay, go ahead and open it up. And you want to go over here and find the power button, okay? The power button. Just be calm. Don't panic, okay? Do everything with calmness, gentle touch, okay? So you're going to hold that button down. Hold it down for about 20 seconds, okay? 20 seconds. The power button, there goes. Power button right here, okay? All right, hold it down for 20 seconds. Count in your head. Hold it down 20 seconds. Be patient. You're doing very well, okay? 20 seconds. All right. So after that 20 seconds, what I want you to do now is wait for about 5 to 8 seconds, okay? Kind of just wait. Give it some time to do its thing, okay? All right. Give it some time. 5 to 6 or 8 seconds, okay? All right. Now you're going to go back again over here to the same power button right here. And you're going to tap it, gentle tap it, like press it, okay? Press it. Boop. Okay? One time, okay? Wait a minute, okay? If you should see a reaction from your computer should come on, but if it doesn't come on, don't panic. Go back again over to your power button. And here it goes. Here it goes. Power button, okay? And hit it another time, okay? All with patience, okay? And then it should come on the second time, okay, to get your wonderful Chromebook Samsung working for you again, okay? Okay, I hope this helped. This is just a simple trick that I use to get my Samsung Chromebook 4-3 Chromebook to start working again for me. And you can do the same to get your Chromebook back again, okay? Your power cord is here, so you need to plug that in first, okay? First step is to plug that in. Patient, okay? Patient. Plug it in. Wonderful, okay? Plug it in. You're doing great. Don't panic. It's gonna work again for you, okay? And here we go. Your power button. You want to hold it down. This is your power button. Hold it down. Count 20 seconds, okay? 20 seconds. Wonderful. Look at how great you're doing. You're such a wonderful tech. Helping yourself. And wait about 5 to 6 to 8 seconds, okay? Go back over again to that power button here. Tap it once. Look for reaction from your wonderful, wonderful Chromebook Samsung. Y'all, I hope this helps you to, do it yourself. Say do it yourself. And I hope I was able to help you. Please go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe button, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.